When going on a home tour, it is crucial to keep a few key things in mind. And here, what you should look for. 1. First, pay attention to any potential issues or problems. Look for signs of water damage, cracks on the wall in the walls or ceilings, or any structural issues. The next thing is focus on the layout, functionality of the space. Consider where the rooms meet your needs and if there's enough storage. And the other thing is you have to visualize yourself living in that home. Additionally, inspect the condition of the major appliances, plumbing, electrical system. Make sure that they're in good order to avoid unexpected expenses down the line. Lastly, don't forget about the neighborhood. Take a walk around that area. Explore the amenities and gauge the overall ambience. It is essential to feel comfortable and happy in your new community. And if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow and join my other TikTok named Real Estate King 612 from Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time. Thank you so much for watching.